Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a very special little gift for you guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my cosmetology kit. So this is what it looks like. So it's like a little it's a little crossbody bag where I keep and store all of my tools, all of my necessary things that I need for cosmetology. And I can't wait to show you guys what's inside in my Caring Cosmetology, and I'm really excited. But so if you guys want to continue watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, email. I'm gonna be putting my email in the description. You can also comment, but I will leave my email just in case if you want to email me. Follow my Instagram now page on Instagram, and I'm also going to be putting my Snapchat as well. But yeah, if you guys want to stay tuned, me going over all of my cosmetology stuff, and it's really exciting, so I get to show you guys all of the stuff, what's in it. But yeah, so without no further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so this is pretty much my bag. So I'm gonna actually show this. So actually this past Thursday I went to pick up my kit. This is the second kit that they gave us, and we had to pick it up at the school. And of course, when I picked it up, there was a lot of stuff. It was really heavy. It came in a big cardboard box. So actually my teacher gave it to me in a big cardboard box, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what is in this thing? But yeah, of course, when I came back home, I had to disinfect it, of course, and I began opening it, and I was like, oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. There's like a bunch of things in here. And of course, one by one, I did have to disinfect, including the little bag. I still have the tag. I did not. It's a classic case. It's like a tool bag. Yeah, it's my tool bag. They gave us so many other things, including the tool bag. And they also gave us 3 mannequin heads. I'm going to show everything. I'm going to show you guys what's in my kit. So I'm going to start off with my tool bag, as you see here. So of course, but yeah, it was really fun. I got to pick up my kit, all of these things, including the 3 boxes of the mannequin heads that were inside, were in there as well. They gave us a blow dryer. They gave us more clips, paddle brushes, and round brushes. Oh my gosh. And I was like, whoa. I was like really surprised just by seeing all that stuff. And also nail stuff, pedicure things. That's also that was also included in the kit. So I got to organize, put all of my things in here, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so the first thing you see here is this spray bottle they gave us. I think we're gonna use this for hair cutting. So this is like a little spray bottle we're gonna fill to wet the mannequin's hair to prep for the hair cutting. And then here I have 2 little boxes, and this is a styling cape. So the cape is used for the client. You put this around the client's neck when you do like styling, hair cutting, washing the hair, shampooing, conditioning, and other stuff. So this is for the client. So in this case, I'm gonna use this for my mannequin. So this is the cape, and it is washable. And of course, here's the apron. This is the apron I'm gonna be wearing, and it's also machine washable, water resistant. Yeah, it's a bamboo fiber salon apron. I can't wait to try it out. But of course, since everything is new, I am going to be washing it before I put it on. They also sent us a small odorless acrylic nail kit. It contains odorless liquid, odorless powder, 2 colors, white and pink, primer, nail glue, ultra form nail tips, and 25 nail forms. So I'm guessing we're gonna be using this sooner or later when we begin to learn about nail pedicure, toes, all that stuff. And here they also gave us hairpins. These are hairpins. They're ballpoint crimped pins. We're gonna use those. Here, these are just clips I just stored and that I already had, so I put them in here in the little side pocket. Okay, so let's flip over to the other side. So on the other side, I have my little tint brushes for hair coloring. They gave us blue, pink, and purple tint brushes for hair coloring. The hair colors, chemical service when you do hair color. And then here they gave us a nail buffer. So this is a nail buffer. And then here we have some manicure emery board files. Yeah, I think those are filers. It came in a small pack, just like that. And here I just stored in some more clips, as you can see. Those are the same clips that I use all the time. Alright, and then here they also gave us a little dapping dish, 2 dapping dishes, and that white plastic. Okay, and then in here we have some bobby pins. We have some clips, a mixing bowl for the hair coloring service, chemical service, and then here in this little side pocket we have some metal clips, curl clips. Okay, and this is for clipping or sectioning the hair. We have some rubber bands. Of course, I have my tool bag where I keep the brushes. And I think that's everything I showed you inside already. In this tool bag, what's in this tool bag. So that's pretty much what I keep in here in my tool bag. And it's great for storing and organizing. And right here, of course, is mine. So here they gave us 3 mannequins. This is one of the first mannequins, and this one is with longer hair. So this is the one with longer hair. I think I told you guys that they were gonna give us another mannequin with longer hair, and they did. Really nice. I love this hair color on her, and I named her Yasmin. So this is Yasmin. I did name, of course I had to name my 3 new mannequins. So this is Yasmin. So next they give us some rollers. These are roller racks. Contains 8 dozen long and 4 dozen short. And it came just like this. So these are the rollers. And then these are my ceramic brush set. It comes in 7 pieces. We have a paddle brush, a styling brush, another brush, other round brushes. Yeah. It's a brush set, so it comes with different brushes. So that's that. Other mannequin. This is the second mannequin, and it's actually, I think, a dark skin mannequin, and this one has like darker color hair. So let me pull it out. So here's her. This is the mannequin. This is the second mannequin. Remember, they did give us 3 mannequins. So this is the second one. This is a more darker color skin tone, and I love the hair. Is really nice. I love that light color added like highlights, and her hair is like so gorgeous. I love it. It's amazing. So I actually named her Natasha. It does says Whitney, but I wanted to name her a different name, so instead I named her Natasha. So this is Natasha, and she does have, and the third mannequin is actually the same as this one, so they're both the same, exact same mannequin. And I actually called them the twins because they're both identical and they're twins. But this is Natasha. So that's her. Is the blow dryer that they gave us, including in the kit. So this is the blow dryer we're gonna be using to style dry the hair for our mannequin clients. So that's the blow dryer. So that's pretty much since I don't have like a little table, this is where I keep the rest of the things that came in my kit for now, underneath. Alright, so here's the other twin mannequin. So this is the same mannequin, exact same mannequin as Natasha, but instead I named her Sasha. So Sasha and Natasha are both same, identical, they're twins. So they do have the same facial features, same hair color. And then there's Chelsea over there. So this is Sasha, and over there is Natasha. And I showed you guys this before in my room tour video. This is a mannequin tripod. So those are my, this is where I store the other 2 mannequins. I don't have enough room. I'm trying to make space more because in this kit it came a lot of things. So I'm trying to make space in my room as possible. By the way, this is where I keep my other 2 mannequins. Okay, and here we have our little scissors for the hair cutting. They give us a scissor kit. Includes scissors, and I don't want to touch it because it's not disinfected yet, but these are the scissors we're going to be using to cut the mannequin's hair. I like how it came in this little case. Really adorable. How cute is that? So, oh my gosh, it came in like this. This is our little scissor kit. And then they also gave us, I think this is the last thing that included in the kit as well. We have some other more nail stuff, a little dapping dish. It looks like this is a cuticle pusher, a brush. I thought at first this was a makeup brush, but this is actually the brush to do the acrylic application. And we just have some more combs, more rat tail combs. And here they just gave us some tweezers. And yeah, these are just combs and more rat tail combs. So they just gave us more comb brushes, all that. Of course, they gave more combs because we're gonna be using those for hair cutting, as well as they did give us a little bit of other things too, like the nail things we are going to be using sooner or later. But as far as that, I think this was the last item that was included in the kit. This is just the box that Whitney, the mannequin, included here, and I just used it to put the other last two things that I included in my kit as well. For you guys, that's pretty much everything what's inside my cosmetology kit. It is separate by parts, but I'm trying to make really like as much space as possible so I can fit all of this stuff in my room. But as far as that, I think I'm really excited for this next chapter of my future career as a cosmetologist. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video or not, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, or email down below. I'm going to be putting on my email as always. Follow my nail page, and you can also add me on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.